So today I'm gonna do an unboxing for Sugardoll basic set. So let's take a look. So it will be sealed like this when you receive. So see this is a Sugardoll. So let's take a look. So ta-da! So sorry that I dropped the bottles. So inside of this one box, it will consist of two things. Two things is one is the hair and skin vitamin, and one is the intensive hair tonic. So okay, we're gonna try this hair and skin vitamin. Try to open up. Okay. Alright, so it looks like this. It's a tablet, it's a chewable. So let's try. Okay, so the taste is like chocolate and it tastes like berry. It's a combination. Amazingly, it's a vitamin, but it tastes so good. The vitamins that consist a lot of things like debiotin, all the vitamin B. You know that is needed for your hair growth, for your new hair growth, for longer hair, for stronger hair, to stop your hair fall. So this already formulated. See here. The fish skin collagen, grapeseed extract, amino extract, olive extract, L-cysteine. It will give benefit to your skin too, so you can have like a really glowing skin. You need just one thing. Just eat one vitamin that can give you a benefit for your hair and your skin. So now we already tried this one. Next, we're gonna try a intensive hair tonic. This is the intensive hair tonic. So, okay, how to do it? Just spray. So after you spray the intensive hair tonic, you have to gently massage at the problem area or whichever area that you need to focus on for thickening your hair, voluming your hair, whichever area. So my problem area is before is over here. I used to have like thinning hair over here. I have a really gap before there, and also not only gap, I have a one spot bulb before this. So I've been using this product and it really works. That I think for like a month you can see your baby hair already grow at the spot area. Okay, so you have to know that this thing works in and out, both works together. If you ask me like, can I buy like tonic only? No, you cannot. You cannot buy a tonic only, because nothing works to grow your hair. The tonic will only stimulate your head from outside, but anything that you want it to have a new cell, new hair baby, you have to really take it from inside. You know, what you eat is what your body gives. You cannot just like use tonic, shampoo, and just hoping that your hair falls will like disappear or your bulb will be recover. Everything works from inside. What you eat is what you get for your skin, for your hair. Okay, and you have to know like the hair is the last part of your body to receive the vitamin. So like, have you wondered if you eat every day the vitamin that only goes to your hair, it's very little that needed to your hair for your hair growth. That's why you will always keep on having a hair fall and your hair is not that strong. If if you have any question, you can ask me directly. You can DM me. I will always want to assist you. And every purchase that you bought, we will help. We will definitely consult to you. Not only me. You can buy from any other agent Sugardoll. They will do the same. They will not only sell to you, they will basically consult you and also help you to use the product and giving you tips and also all the things that you wanted to know. We will always dare to answer all your questions. So you can buy this from me, and you can buy this at any Sugardoll agent. So thank you for your viewing. I hope you guys understand the product now. Thank you.